Yes, I am recording. I'm putting up gameplay videos. And I'm at my friend's house, which is next door. There she is. Yeah. Yeah. My glasses are crooked. I feel so stupid. And they're still crooked!
Is that what you're doing?
Yes, it is.
For what? Is that for YouTube? Don't say that.
It's for YouTube.
Why?
Because I'm starting to put up videos again.
My mom's dating a guy, Joe, and his son, Michael, put me on YouTube.
Okay.
What I was doing is I had Superman cape, and I was like, in Walmart. So one guy looked at me, and I was like, I was like, but you.
Oh, okay. She does not want to be on YouTube. I feel really sad because I only have one subscriber. I already have 40,000 views. No, I just kidding. I only have 38. And what the hell? No, look at it. Look at it. He's trying to bring it inside the cage. Emily, look. Trying to bring it inside the cage. Ah! And, so, yeah. Wait, is it upside down? Okay, so, yeah, I fixed it. And, yeah, that's my friend. Here's me, and I might put up more gaming videos tomorrow. That's a 2. How do I do tomorrow in sign language? How do I do tomorrow in sign language? Now I really wish I took the sign language class in high school. Oh well.
In high school?
Yeah, I'm in high school.
Really?
Yeah. I'm in 9th grade.
You are?
Yeah, I'm the youngest 9th grader. I'm only 14, everyone else is 15, 16. And not even, like, one person's 17. Yeah, she already has a kid. I feel so bad for her. Not really.
I wouldn't.
Exactly. Like, literally, she had a kid at 12. And now she's in high school. She's in 9th grade. She's 17. What? Potato chips are delicious with Pop Rocks. What? Don't bark, Bobby.
Hey, do you know what pen tapping is?
Nope.
You should look it up.
I know what spoon tapping is. I like spoons.
Do pen tapping. John, when you're
Okay. You heard it from here. Weird person. Yeah, you know what that means, right? Yeah. No, it doesn't mean that.
I don't care what it means.
It means highway to hell or something like that. Highway! Why do you think AC/DC does? Highway to hell! Why do you think they did that? I don't think AC/DC is actually a heavy metal band. Because all they do is scream! Potato chips are delicious with Pop Rocks and soda. I like Pop Rocks and soda. It really tastes good. So yeah, you people out there, leave a comment, rate, and subscribe, and bye.